Meaning of frangipani.
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 Frangipani. Frangipani is a type of flowering plant native to tropical regions of America, Asia, and the Pacific Islands. It is also known by the names plumeria or temple tree. The frangipani flower has a distinct sweet fragrance and comes in a variety of colors including white, yellow, pink, and red. The plant is often used for ornamental purposes in gardens and as a source of essential oils for perfumes and cosmetics. In some cultures, the frangipani flower is associated with spirituality and is used in religious ceremonies and offerings.